So welcome on the second part of the training, and this time we're going to discuss about go-fuzzing and crash analysis. So first of all, let me give you a better idea about the different subjects we're going to discuss. So first of all, we're going to do an introduction to fuzzing. We will then discuss about coverage-guided fuzzing, and especially the go-fuzz tool, libfuzzer, and testing fuzz. That is like the new native support of that is directly inside and available in the testing Golang library. And then we're going to discuss about fuzzing workflow, which techniques can be used to improve your fuzzing, and the different stuff you can do to basically evaluate the evolution of what you are doing and the fuzzing of your target. We will then discuss about crashes analysis, or you can debug and analyze crashes. We will discuss about generation-based fuzzing, from grammar-based fuzzing to structure-aware-based fuzzing, or it can be really useful, and or actually we can even use like reflection and this kind of specific behavior in Go to help us in this task. We will then discuss about some advanced fuzzing techniques, especially differential fuzzing. That is a really efficient technique to find logic bugs. I will also quickly discuss about like writing some custom fuzzer by yourself. And finally, we will take a look at multiple exercises, like I don't know, like 7 of them actually. So you will get some stuff to practice in addition to all the different labs and exercises we will already discuss along the training. So let's start.